The final lesson in the transportation design unit is on plan production, and in here you'll learn how to create view frames and to create sheets based on having an alignment and a profile view in the drawing. This is a powerful utility that allows you to automate the creation of plan profile sheets. So in the first exercise you create the view frames, and these are used for orienting your sheets prior to generating the sheets, and you use the Create View Frames wizard. And the wizard will walk you through choosing the alignment, specifying the sheet layout parameters, specifying the drawing template file that contains the page setup definitions, so essentially to size your sheets, view frame group parameters, your view frame labels, and then calculating the available distance in the viewports. So there's 5 steps there, so let's go through that. If you click the Output tab under the Plan Production panel, you'll see the Create View Frames command. So let's create the view frames, and the alignment will be the center line alignment running along here. So this is the through road alignment. Now we choose the types of sheets to generate. We'll choose a plan and profile sheet, and the template that contains the layout definition is defaulting to the local path. And if we go into the plan production folder, you'll see all of the drawing templates, and here we are defaulting to the Civil 3D metric plan and profile drawing template, and we'll use the A1 plan and profile 1 to 500 scale. So just to review where we are here in the wizard, we've selected the template, and we are choosing the 1 to 500 scale. We can orient the frames along the alignment, and this is the view frame group creation parameters. And if we go next, these are the labels and the match lines. And now we have the profile view creation parameters. So let's just create the view frames, and you'll see the view frames that have been created in the drawing area. And these things can be oriented. So number of grips, you can slide the view frame along the alignment. You can rotate the view frame, and you can use the square grip to independently move the view frame anywhere. Once you've created the view frames, you can then create the sheets, and you use the Create Sheets wizard to do that. You select the view frames, you specify your output settings, and then you'll notice that the sheets are organized into AutoCAD sheet sets. And you specify the profile view creation parameters, and then you manage these sheets in the sheet set. So let's go through that. Close this drawing, and we'll open the next drawing for the exercise. And here, if we look at the Output tab, we can now create the sheets. This is the view frame group. We can choose the view frames. So I can either select them from the drawing or use my Shift key to select just the 4 sheets perhaps. We can create a new layout in each separate drawing, or all the layouts in a new drawing, or we can create the layouts in this current drawing. This is the layout name. We can insert a north arrow in the layouts, and this is the name of the sheet set and the sheet set storage location. And these are the profile view creation parameters, and we'll just use the profile view wizard here. And you can align the views, aligning the profile and the plan views either at the start, at the center, or at the end. And we can create the sheets, and then it's just letting me know that it's going to save the drawings. It's asking me for where the profile views will be located, and now Civil 3D will cut, in this case, the 4 sheets for this particular example. And there's the 4 profile views. Here's the sheet set manager. If I right click and if I open that sheet, it will take me to my first layout definition in the drawing. And these can be renamed and renumbered. But there's my first sheet. Or actually that's the 4th sheet. Here's the first sheet. If I open that, it will take me to the layout definition for that particular sheet. So this command, what it did was it created 4 layout definitions. In each layout it created a viewport and oriented the viewport to create the sheets. So very powerful functionality, especially if you're working with large transportation projects with many plan profile sheets. That concludes the final lesson in the transportation design unit, in which we discussed the plan production tools in AutoCAD Civil 3D 2010.